vanilla ice cream French toast made on the Blackstone. You heard me right. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now today I'm gonna be actually macerating some berries. This is amaretto and sugar. Watch the magic happen. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Now get some melted ice cream, dredge some brioche. Actually, I like to add a little cinnamon and sugar. Do trust the process. It's amazing. Get some butter on a Blackstone, glaze it up real nice. Dredge that brioche bread, get it nice and toasty to your liking. And of course, I've got some awesome hatch green chili sausage. Let's plate it up, pile it high, add some syrup, a little post dust with some powdered sugar. You are off to the races, my friends. Welcome to the set, my friends. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate, right over there is Ethan, and right over there is the chance of a lifetime. So glad that you guys are with us. We're gonna have some fun. This is a strange way to do French toast. Never done it. Saw it on the internet, so it's gotta be true, right?
Yeah, everything on the interweb.
Nobody would lie to me on the internet.
Yeah.
Here's to non-liars. Thank you.
Lie to anyone at home.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now, first thing we're gonna get going with is our sausage. Now, Nate, don't hate on me. I was at the store and I saw it. Hatch green chili flavored sausages.
Every single time.
What? And what do you mean every single time?
Just when I think you couldn't get any dumber.
I know, I go off and...
Oh wait, that was...
Scratch that, reverse it.
Thank you.
You'll have to excuse my friend. He's a little slow.
We've got to get to some strawberries. Now today I'm gonna be...
Strawberry muffins. Dude,
How
long has it been since you heard muffins?
Yeah, from YouTube.
Yeah, from YouTube.
From
you know muffins?
I don't know muffins.
Do you know muffins?
Yeah, we use it in video.
Do you know muffins?
I know the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man.
He lives on Drury Lane.
Come on.
Yeah. So today I've got some strawberries and some blueberries. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hijack this again from our boy Chef Leo. He macerated the strawberries in an episode.
Amazing.
He is a maestro of maceration.
I'm sorry, man. That was a weird sneeze I just did right there.
I hate you so.
You know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna get these strawberries sliced up. We're gonna get them in a bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, and I've got some amaretto.
Oh dang!
Gonna add
that's how we did it for the pizza.
Now the
thing.
blueberries aren't gonna do the same thing as the strawberries, but they're gonna go in anyways because we want all the flavors to start dancing together. This is gonna be so good. Perfection. Macerate, my friends. Macerate. All right, let's check on our sausages.
Does that make you the maestro now?
I don't know. Leo's always the maceration maestro.
It's good.
Okay. Let's get to the actual magic of this episode.
I am really interested to see how this works.
I am also interested to see how this works because
I haven't done it.
You
didn't test the recipe.
No.
He doesn't do anything. Before he does it on the show.
Oh, okay.
Before he does it on the show. I don't do anything.
You know what? I'm gonna ring it and bring it because
Wow.
we had a little moment there.
Got a little passive aggressive there for a second.
All right. Let's get to macerating. We already are. Dang it. Okay, so Bluebell ice cream is hailed in Texas as the greatest ice cream that's ever been made. I'm not gonna argue or agree or disagree with that.
What the?
That's a little dish, dude.
It's not ice cream anymore, guys.
Not ice cream anymore.
How?
Yeah, it's a little dish. It's not
How
the size
full
of the dish that matters in this case.
All right.
But let's talk about the ice cream. So when you make like French toast, you have your eggs.
Yeah.
You have a cream of some kind, milk,
Sugar.
creamer, sugar, cinnamon, sugar. All those things are inhabited in said ice cream.
I see
But
that.
this is also going to be dolled up just a little bit. I've got the snickerdoodle here. You can't find this, guys, sorry, but just do some cinnamon and sugar.
Glad you used it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, sir. Sorry. And because they always say to do this, a little pinch of salt.
Who's they?
I don't know.
Internet.
The internet, and they would never
lies
lie
to
to me, right?
Never lied.
Next, French toast, brioche bread. I think that most people would agree that brioche is the superior bread of all bread, right?
It's so creamy.
Is it?
Well, no, I just felt like saying it.
It's like, I don't know that it is actually creamy.
It feels like there was a baked-in moment to say that earlier.
It's a,
Oh.
We're talking about ice cream.
I suppose that could be true. All right, Andy. Let's grab some butter, buddy. You're my butter buddy.
wow.
Oh, my buddy.
He's a buddy.
My buddy, wherever I go,
He go to. Yeah.
What? He goes to?
My buddy and me.
Oh, yeah.
Kid sister.
wherever I go, you're gonna go.
Okay, Andy, you want to butter us up over there?
That was such
and
a deep dive,
that was,
bro.
wait, tell me you're
Wow.
born in the 80s without telling me you're born in the 80s. Okay, here we go.
Singing My Buddy.
And let's see how we do, buddy.
Wasn't that the
This is
era
falling
of...
apart.
Dude, what are you doing?
Whoa. All
Bro.
the butter.
It's all melted.
You're not my butter bro. You're the opposite of the butter bro.
Oh no, I was
Whoa,
unlegit.
my God.
Is this a butter show or what's up? Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
What the?
Hey, can we cut real quick?
He needs an assistant.
Go. We're going down. I'm gonna crank my heat up a little bit because we were on low. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Why not? I mean, it's not like I
So
need it anymore.
wasteful.
Okay, we absorbed a lot of ice cream.
You don't let it sit in the mixture for too long.
No, but I think I might have just now.
I've had Todd Tobin's and he lets it sit for a minute.
Yeah, but that's when it's just egg. This has got a lot of cream going on here.
You don't want to get into
Too
sog
soggy,
town.
but I think I might be. However, I
Whoa.
think the science is all there. How many should we do? Let's do like 6?
Well, there is 2 of us on set.
Okay, we'll do 6. All right, so see, everybody needs a butter bro.
That's me.
Oh, you're back to being buddies?
Yeah, we're totally buddies. This is a little weird.
Kid
I was
sister weird,
macerating
or just a
earlier.
little weird?
Andy, you missed a spot.
Oh yeah, dude, you got a spot over
Andy,
there. There's a spot. Oh, right here.
good
And
lord.
it's been a couple minutes. I'm not so sure this is gonna work out, but we're about to find out. Ethan, drum roll, please.
I'm holding a camera.
Okay.
Hey.
We've got some toasting.
Okay.
We've got some golden. We've got some deliciousness.
You can start with the drum rolling. Jeez.
It was a little gratuitous on the drum roll. It's gonna need another minute. So we're gonna hang out some more. Hey.
CJ!
Hey, what's up?
CJ!
Uh,
Hey, look over here!
who
Hey,
framed,
CJ, did you?
who framed this guy?
Oh, did you
Did you know that Who Framed Roger Rabbit was, when it came out, the most expensive movie ever?
What? No way.
Yeah, it had a budget of like 70 million, which is 150 million in today's standard, which Avatar
Still-
was like 300 million.
Yeah.
so. But at the time it was.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Dude, Jessica Rabbit.
What?
Nothing.
Gonna go.
Nothing.
What?
She was an interesting character. Hey. You getting all
Macerated.
Now, don't lie, dude. You did not think they were going to turn out as good looking as they were.
That's, well,
Okay, but these are looking awesome. And let's start plating. Let's get I've got a nice round plate here. I'm going to start shingling and stacking, my
like a
friends.
shingle.
The old shingle stack. And what are we going to do with all this sausage?
don't.
Put it to the side!
Okay, let's throw it on the side.
All of it.
All of it, though? Okay, fine. Let's just make a mound of meat. It's a mound of meat for some macerated
Magical.
strawberries.
Magical.
It's amazing. And let's top this off with our special blueberries and strawberries. This is gonna be so delicious. Of course, you've gotta have some maple syrup. And then, of course, you have to have a dusting of some
Granola.
delightful powdered
Chris
sugar.
Kringle, making it snow.
Yeah. Okay, so look. I'm like, what do I wanna try first? The green chili? Or,
I forgot.
or the ice cream
Dude,
soaked. Oh, you're gonna go for it.
I just.
How about I join you?
All right.
Don't mind if I do.
All right.
Okay.
No, it'd be so good if it didn't have green chili.
Whatever. You're so full of crap, dude.
All I taste is green chili, bro.
No, you don't, because I tasted it, and that's not all green chili.
Because you're immune to it. You're part green chili.
Have I told you lately
Yeah?
how much I hate you?
No.
Okay. I hate you.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Let's go in. Ooh, macerated strawberry.
Hello, Barry. Oh, you got some of the syrup and stuff with it too?
Let's see.
The juice?
The test.
What?
Oh my god.
I didn't bite it.
That was egregious.
That was
What is going on?
Greg started it. I just came in here to take a shower.
That is wildly crispy and delicious.
Okay.
As good as any French toast I've ever had.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Come at me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Because that absolutely slayed. You could.
Better than the Blackstone Betty creamer hack?
That is the creamer hack.
Oh.
Kramer?
Kramer.
I hate working here.
I'm out.
I guess that's time.
Oh, man.
Leave it in the comments. How much does Ethan suck?
That's normally the segue.
But speaking of comments,
Segue now.
I can't pull over anymore. I'm already pulled over. It's officially time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
I'm freaking out, man.
You are freaking out.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Four eyes.
So glad that you guys made it to this segment of the show.
Yeah, me too.
This is
I can't laugh at that. I'm wearing glasses.
yeah.
Thank you.
This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right, and the molecular structure is simply defined by the hypothetical space.
Cause the erratic oscillation, you can see it there, of the neighboring particle.
Anyways, starting from the top in no particular order, this comes in from Mike Register 25.
Hey, Mike.
Mike Register says, "Hey CJ, first time comment. Found your videos a couple weeks ago, and now I've been binging your whole Blackstone playlist."
Hey, Mikey likes it.
I think he likes it. I can't go more than a few minutes in combos without some kind of movie or TV quote, so this channel is speaking my language. Keep quoting, and I'll keep watching. Consider it done, Mike Register. I like that.
Me too.
To Mike.
Fan. To you.
You're a righteous dude.
It's true.
All right, this next one comes in from Randy McConnell.
Hey, Randy.
Randy says, "My wife and I watch the craziness, but not on our PC. Just on the idiot box, but still like your show. In the beginning, not so much because of your quotes, but now we love it. We also watch all the cooks on the Blackstone Network. The only thing I don't quite get is your taste.
Huh.
You're pretty picky about some foods, but
Yes.
it's no biggie. Keep it up." Randy, I will. And I am picky. I don't like olives. I don't like capers because they're like small olives.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't like mushrooms.
That was a Randy Savage.
And seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah, we know who it was. R.I.P. Gone too soon. Cheers.
He's dead?
He was special.
Okay, this one came in from Josh Harris.
Hey, Josh.
Josh Harris says, "I hope CJ's first cooking show is his last.
Wow.
I want to see 70-year-old CJ and Nate trying to cook on this YouTube page. The entire dynamic is amazing. Feels like I'm hanging with the guys every time. No thanks. I also have the annoying problem of quoting way too many movies and nobody recognizes. Deep appreciation for these. Got a Blackstone a couple months ago. I cook for everyone now. LOL. I love it. Thanks for everything, guys."
Wow, he kissed
Wow.
CJ's cooking show goodbye and then brought it back.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened, but
Josh Harris joke. He was my kiss dating goodbye. I was
Okay.
in high school.
dude, stop it. I had that book. I was given that book, and I used it for a doorstop because I did not kiss dating goodbye. Okay, and last but not least, this is BK Hammer. BK Hammer says, "Landed here to get some new recipe ideas.
Yeah.
Not watch an clown show."
I don't know what he's talking about. This is a very serious cooking show.
Yeah, BK Hammer
All we
time.
do is focus on education.
You're unlegit. So therefore, I will quit. To the hammer time.
Oh, okay. All
Uh-huh.
right. I got it. Ready when you are.
This show's so stupid.
It is so dumb.
And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. So pumped that you guys made it. Before we go, if you would like to put something up on the OG board, you can hit me up on Instagram, slide up in the DMs. Let's put up the Envision the Future, which was our Blackstone Social Summit. If you guys didn't see it, you guys should go check out the recap of that. So much fun. And Miller Griddler, Andy, little assistance here.
I don't think he wants to help anymore.
He's on the board.
Oh.
Wait, what?
See, that's not gonna work.
Oh, he's been here the whole time.
No, well, let's just do this.
What a jerk.
There we go. We got Miller Griddler.
Wow.
Jeez.
And we're back.
And we're gonna go ahead and just put up Envision the Future.
All right.
Just like that, because there couldn't be any more.
Yeah,
that's
we're
perfect.
friends.
All right, ready to go. Okay.
And we're back.
I deserve a spot here.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone related. Go to griddlenation.com if you want to get some swag, some stickers, cool things like that. Also, be sure to check out all the other channels on the network. We've got so many fun cooks for you. If my show's not your cup of tea, I totally get it. I'm really annoying and this show's pretty dumb. But if you happen to be a little more refined and sophisticated, you can go check out other stuff that we've got available. In the meantime, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right, and we'll hopefully see you down the road.
Hopefully.
Bye.
Together